My name's Casper Jones. I handcraft skateboards for Life Skateboards, and you're watching Days with Casper. This is a series called Life Takes Shape, where I'm going to show you a shape we make here at Life Skateboards, and then take you through the steps I'm responsible for before we throw some graphics on them. There are a lot of shapes and options here at Life Skateboards, so when you're done with this video, head over to lifeskateboard.com and check us out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can catch me doing this work live and ask any questions you've got for me. If you catch those lives, you'll see the rest of the process, like gluing, pressing, cutting, and even graphic applications. But for this series, we're going to focus on shape. Hope you enjoy Life Takes Shape. Today on Life Takes Shape, we have the Mid-Egg Twin from Life Skateboards. Now this one looks a lot like the Mid-Twin, but instead of tapering in at the center, it tapers out. This symmetrical deck has a length of 32.1, a width of 9.125, a 7-inch nose and tail, and it's 8.75 inches on the truck bed. Head over to lifeskateboard.com after this video and check out what we got for you. I'm going to shut up and shape it. Mag Twin from Life Skateboards is ready for graphics. Head over to lifeskateboard.com and get yourself a life. Go ahead and subscribe for me so you can catch me working live and see the rest of the process, and stay tuned for more Life Take Shape. One more thing, guys. Overshot it there, my bad. Alright, so I went ahead and made a Patreon. If you like what I do here, you like these lives, you like these videos, and you want to support, head over to my Patreon and subscribe for me. There's absolutely no content on there. I never want to create a paywall for my content. Everything I make should be accessible to everyone, regardless of if you want to support financially or not. But if you do want to support financially, head over there. I've got subscriptions in several tiers, starting at $1 all the way up to some really jokey ones. So thank you if you want to do that. I'm going to greatly appreciate it. Get away!